the Nexus 7000. Welcome to the Human Network. We do a recording of you.
Doing what?
I don't know, doing the Human Network. Yeah, actually, there's an idea. Come on, let me do a recording of you.
Well, it's running. All you have got to do is point it. What are you actually supposed to be demoing here?
So basically what we have here, down here, that I'm pointing to is the new Nexus 7000, which is a high density 10 gigabit Ethernet switch. Comes in 10 slot form factor today. They will soon be an 18 slot form factor. Dual supervisor engines that I'm now pointing to. We've got 32 port 10 gigabit Ethernet card with SFP modules. We also have triple speed Ethernet that I'm now pointing to. I know it's a bit dark in there, but I'm sure you can see it. We also have front to back airflow, so we actually suck air in from these filters down here at the bottom, and we exhaust it around the back of the switch. The switch is based on the mid-plane architecture, so if we walk around to the back of the switch, we can take a closer look at what the back looks like. So here we have three 6,000 watt power supplies. We have a 5-stage switch fabric system that effectively gives us in excess of 230 gig of switching capacity per slot. We've got multiple fans, and you may be able to hear the exhaust blowing into the microphone of the phone. That is the exhaust of the switch. We've got multiple fans. These fans are to cool the switch fabric.
But do not remove over there?
Yeah, absolutely. We don't want to remove those fans because the system may overheat. There you go. Not remove. And we've got system fans here as well to cool the entire system from back to front.
So how does a person configure a fiber channel over Ethernet? Is it associated with a port and you can run it in VLAN and all of those good stuff?
So fiber channel over Ethernet is something we don't do on the 7K today.
Yeah.
That's a feature we run on the Nexus 5000.
Okay.
Right?
So you've got quite a setup going on, right?
So this is the Nexus 5000.
Yeah.
And this allows us to do fiber channel over Ethernet. So what we have is a fiber channel over Ethernet port. We have a fiber channel over Ethernet port via a twin-axis cable, and that runs from here into this server. Okay. So this server over here has what's known as a CNA adapter, or a converged network adapter. Okay. So effectively, what we have the capability of doing is merging IP data with fiber channel over the same physical cable.
So does this thing do .1Q tagging and all of the good stuff, and then you just have a fiber channel over Ethernet associated with that VLAN?
Well, it's something.
It's tagged differently.
It's a whole new range of protocols. So there's a protocol called fiber channel over Ethernet. So what it does is it takes
and does it have virtual instances that you can associate like VLANs?
Not necessarily.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So
or is it just plain old layer 2 like fiber channel?
It just takes what we have on this cable is the idea of virtual lanes, right? So think 82.1Q tags or trunks, right? So we have a virtual lane that may be able to transport fiber channel protocol in one lane, right? And a different lane will transport IP Ethernet or IP data, right? So the different lanes.
.1Q on top of that.
Well, no, it does. There's no .1Q.
Okay.
So it's like an old frame relay DLC.
Okay.
Okay. So different DLCIs carry different types of traffic.
Okay.
Except here we've got one lane or one virtual lane carrying fiber channel protocol encapsulated in Ethernet, and another lane carrying IP data.
And who's Yoda?
So Yoda is our fiber channel switch, which is a good time to point out that what happens from the 5K once he receives this unified fiber channel and IP on one
this is 9124. Is this the old pizza box?
Yeah, it's all pizza box.
Okay.
So we basically break out fiber channel through this interface, and it goes into Yoda, which is the MDS fiber channel switch. And we also run out of capacity.
Otherwise, we're going to run out of
over on
capacity.
your phone.